Grain millers. What we do every day is much more than oat processing. It's a promise. We are looking for people who want to grow, learn, and be part of an exciting, innovative company that helps people live healthier lives.
When I applied here, I really wanted to improve myself as a person, as a worker. Then they hired me, and really exciting to learn new things.
I've worked at Grain Millers for 15 years. The people and the management group is great to work with.
I have been working in the company Grain Millers almost 9 years. And I'm working with amazing people. We have very good team and very good management.
Our culture is built on doing the right thing always. And we seek people who are motivated, work with a high level of integrity, enthusiasm, and ultimately, who care.
Grain Millers don't be afraid to make mistakes. We train people hands-on, grow in the roles they're in.
We care about each other. We always help. And there's a very good benefit for me and my family.
At Grain Millers, it's a passion about people making honest food.
Take care of your people, take care of your employees, and take care of your customers. And just about everything will just take care of itself.
We offer a generous benefit package, a light-hearted work environment where you can be yourself, and a team-orientated culture that is perfect for the professional development. No matter the location, no matter the role, everyone at Grain Millers shares one mission: bring people honest food. Our Yorkton facility is known as one of the largest technologically advanced oat mills in the world. Yorkton is a community that cares and watches out for one another. We have great schools, healthcare facilities, room to play. At the same time, we still enjoy a friendly, small-town feel where you'll get to know your neighbors.
Grain Millers is a fun, encouraging environment to work at. I enjoy coming to work every day.
Yeah, they care about customer and about employee.
Go to grainmillers.com to learn more about our open positions. We would love to see you become a part of our Grain Millers family. Apply today.